Have you ever wondered what powers the Tesla Cybertruck? Is it a sleek, electric beast, or does it still rely on traditional gasoline? Let's dive into the world of the Cybertruck and find out the truth. The Tesla Cybertruck has taken the automotive world by storm with its futuristic design and promises of groundbreaking technology. But one question has been on everyone's mind: does it run on electricity or fuel? To answer this, we need to understand a bit about Tesla and their commitment to electric vehicles. Tesla has been at the forefront of the electric car revolution, producing vehicles that are both environmentally friendly and technologically advanced. Their lineup includes popular models like the Model S, Model 3, and Model Y, all of which are powered by electricity. Given Tesla's reputation for electric vehicles, it's reasonable to assume that the Cybertruck would follow suit. However, there have been some speculations and rumors that it might have a hybrid or even a traditional gasoline powertrain. Let's address those rumors and speculations head-on. The Tesla Cybertruck is indeed a fully electric vehicle. There are no hybrid or gasoline options available. This is in line with Tesla's overall mission to accelerate the world's transition to sustainable energy. The benefits of electric power. The Cybertruck's electric powertrain offers several advantages. First, it provides instant torque, resulting in impressive acceleration. Second, it reduces emissions, making it a more environmentally friendly option. Third, electric vehicles have lower maintenance costs compared to traditional gasoline cars. The Cybertruck's unique features. Aside from its electric powertrain, the Cybertruck boasts other unique features. Its exoskeleton design is made from ultra-hard 30x cold-rolled stainless steel, providing exceptional durability. It also has a spacious interior and versatile cargo capacity. While the Cybertruck offers many benefits, there are also some concerns that have been raised. One common question is about its range. Tesla has stated that the Cybertruck will have a long range, but the exact figures have not been officially released yet. Another concern is the availability of charging infrastructure. As the number of electric vehicles increases, the demand for charging stations is also growing. Tesla has been expanding its supercharger network, but more infrastructure is needed to support widespread adoption of electric vehicles. In conclusion, the Tesla Cybertruck is a fully electric vehicle, aligning with Tesla's commitment to sustainable transportation. Its electric powertrain offers several advantages, including instant torque, reduced emissions, and lower maintenance costs. While there are some concerns about range and charging infrastructure, the Cybertruck's unique features and Tesla's ongoing efforts to expand the charging network make it a promising option for those looking for a futuristic and environmentally friendly vehicle. So, there you have it. The Tesla Cybertruck is indeed a pure electric vehicle. It's a testament to Tesla's dedication to creating innovative and sustainable transportation solutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.